Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a Droyo macro to Confluence. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Confluence, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To add the Droyo macro to a Confluence page, you just have to follow these simple steps. Number one prerequisite is you might want to ensure that Droyo Diagrams app is installed on your Confluence instance. If not, you need to install it via the marketplace. You just have to go to the apps on the top corner. All right, and from here, go to the find new apps. You would be forwarded to the marketplace wherein it's going to be a lot easier to find the Droyo here. You see, there is an option here that says Droyo diagrams and whiteboards. But if it's in such cases you can't find the Droyo here, just search for apps and type in Droyo. And there's going to be a lot of results. If you click on this one, it would give you the same thing here. Now, you have multiple options here, all right? Droyo diagrams and whiteboards. You can create powerful, easy to use, and secure diagrams and whiteboard. You also have the Draw Plus for Confluence, Lucid diagrams and connectors, and a lot more. But we're gonna use the first one. If you click on it, you would be forwarded to this section. All we have to do is click the install, try it free. You see that? There isn't much of no credit card required. Just click this button, try it for free, and all you have to do is click the start free trial. You would be forwarded to this section. You see there's going to be a status bar at the bottom left corner where it'll tell you when your app has been added. Just wait for it a little bit. It takes a little while, but as soon as the app installed, you would see the successful status. But again, if you don't have the Confluence administrator, all right, you might want to ask your client or whoever holds the account so that they will give you permission to integrate both accounts. All right, because adding the Droyo macro to Confluence offers several advantages. As you can see, your app has been added to your instance and is ready for use. Now let's get back again to the home page wherein we're going to create a section. For example, this page, we're going to click on it. We're going to edit this one. Or maybe let's start to create a new page. Click on new page. Wait for it to load. Give this page a title. Let's see that. Then I'm going to add more elements here. I'm gonna insert a file. Now, for you to be able to add the macro to Confluence once the app has been installed, all you have to do is click the edit button. You see this pencil icon on the top corner, and in the editor dashboard, just type in /draw. You see that, to search for the Draw.io diagram macro. And from here, all you have to do is you have three options. Insert a new Draw.io board, or insert a new Droyo diagram, or the third option is going to be embedding a Droyo diagram. All right, but for now, before we can do that, we want to make sure that we have created a diagram first, or a document to Droyo. So since the macro has been ready here in Confluence, we might want to switch over to the Droyo platform. Now here, just open the file or the diagram that you have been working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this one. I'm going to add some text. I'm gonna make it a lot bigger for you guys to see it. I can change the font size here, maybe around like 30. Okay, and then font color is kind of like, maybe let's choose another color here, maybe a bit of this, and then let's select the maybe around 30. Wait for it. Takes a little while. And then I'm going to add another dynamic by going to File, importing an image via device. All right, so this is going to be the diagram that I wanted to add to the Confluence. Now what I'm going to do is basically save this for now. Takes a little while. So basically the Confluence to Droyo or Droyo to Confluence only applies to the online version, because if you're using the offline, you're not going to be able to do that. All right, it's very simple. Because embedding diagrams directly within Confluence pages ensures a unified workspace. Diagrams are stored alongside other Confluence content, simplifying organization and access. Now, from here, all we have to do is switch over again to the Confluence page. And again, remember the macro. Just type /draw. And from here, you can insert a new board or insert a new draw diagram or embed. For example, we're going to insert a new diagram. So we have a separate video on how to insert that. So you have all three options right here. Now, the changes to diagrams are version controlled, just like other Confluence content. That means you can create various diagrams, including flowcharts, UML diagrams, and any relationship diagrams, org charts, network diagrams, templates, and predefined shapes. Speed up the creation process. All right, because the diagrams are editable directly within Confluence, reducing the need for external tools. Updates are instantly reflected on a page without the hassle of re-uploading the files. If we click on the insert a new board, for example, this would be forwarded to the Droyo platform. It's very easy. All right, and again, remember that it keeps diagram in the same location as text documentation, ensuring everyone is accessible in one place. It's very cost effective. It reduces the need for a third-party diagramming tools, and from here you can create a lot of stuff. All right, for example, this, that. Once you're happy with that, click on publish. File name is this. Click on save. All right, so for example, how about this one? Click on save. Now, saving takes a little while depending on the complexity. And once you do that, the board or the file will be added directly to the Confluence page. All right. Users can export diagrams in standard formats, and this makes it easy to share diagrams with non-Confluence users to transfer them between platforms. And from here, just click the copy link button. You can send this to your client or team members, or you can also update with the current settings. All right. You can also invite anyone to edit this, which is very helpful if you're working with multiple freelancers and within your client. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.